Have you ever gone to play an MP3 file or a WAV file, but this box just appears and it doesn't actually do anything? It's actually really simple to fix. All you need to do is hit Command Space. On the little search bar, you want to search up Activity Monitor. The first thing that appears, you want to open that. Something similar like this should show up here. Now what you want to do is go up to Search and search up Finder. Now there should be something here that says Quick Look UI Service. But in my case, nothing showed up. This might be the case for you, it might not be. Now if nothing showed up for you, go up and search up Quick instead. Right here is what we're looking for, Quick Look UI Service. The first one that pops up, you're gonna click on that. Now what you're gonna do is go up and hit this little X symbol. This window will show up asking if you wanna quit the process. We're gonna go ahead and click Force Quit. If from before you searched up Finder and saw the Quick Look UI service, you can do the same process by clicking it and clicking the X and force quitting it. It'll have the same effect. Now that we have force quit this system, we can now quit the activity monitor and go back to our file. And now if we click space, we can see the audio file is working just like it should.
Sometimes I see, sometimes I be, sometimes I leave, sometimes I free. Wait, where does milk come from? Milk.
I hope this video helped. I know I don't make tutorials like this at all. This is just an issue that I ran into a lot, and I felt there weren't very many clear tutorials out there, so I decided to make one just to help any other Mac users out there. This is really different from one I usually make, so thanks for watching. Yeah, it's the end of the video now.